In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your card in Apple Pay. By the end, your card will be ready to tap and pay anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings, the app with the gray gear icon. From there, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap it to open your wallet settings. This is where you manage your cards and payment options. Next, tap Add Card. On the screen that appears, choose debit or credit card, and then tap Continue. Apple will now guide you through adding your card details. You have two simple ways to enter your card. The quickest is to scan it. Point your iPhone's camera at the front of your card, making sure the numbers are clearly visible and well lit. Hold steady for a moment, and your iPhone will capture the details automatically. If the scan misses anything, or if you prefer, you can type the information in manually. When entering details by hand, double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the billing name and address match what your bank has on file to avoid delays. When your card details look right, tap Next. Now it's time to verify the card. Your bank will send a 6-digit verification code, usually by text message or through a banking notification. Keep your iPhone nearby and connected so the code arrives promptly. When the prompt appears in Apple Pay, enter the 6-digit code exactly as shown. If your iPhone suggests the code automatically, confirm it and you're set. If you don't see a code after a short wait, check your messages, ensure you have a good signal, and use the on-screen option to request a new code. For your security, never share this code with anyone. Once you've entered the verification code, Apple Pay will confirm your card. You'll see a success message, and your card will appear in the wallet, activated and ready to use. That means you can now pay in stores, in apps, and online wherever Apple Pay is accepted, using your iPhone or other compatible Apple devices signed into the same account. If you ever need to review the card, open the Wallet app, tap the card, and you'll see it listed and ready. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.